to use Ecamm Live for your Facebook live streaming, YouTube live streaming, maybe even Twitch and Periscope if you're still on Periscope. If you want to learn how to use the live streaming platform Ecamm Live, then stay tuned to this video. Hey there, my name is Stacia Kennedy. Welcome to my channel. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're new to the tribe, and comment below if you're new, because I'd love to welcome you to my videos. I'm excited to share with you a platform that I've been using called Ecamm Live. I actually love it. I'm still been kind of a little new to it and making sure I utilize all the different features, because there's so many cool features to make your live streaming experience for your prospects or people who are watching more, experiential. I'm actually having a lot of fun with it. So I want to share with you my screen and show you exactly some features and things that you should know about, because when I first got started, there were things that I'm still kind of playing with to make sure that I have a smooth recording of my live stream, and that it's really great to have it, repurposed on different platforms. So what I do is, let me show you the screen. This is Ecamm Live. So right now I'm already logged in to my Facebook page, but over on the bottom right hand corner, you can have several different destinations. Right now it's pointing to my personal Facebook page, profile, timeline, and also I can have it scheduled to go to a certain out at a certain time, which is kind of cool, because I can schedule it to go on my Facebook business page, group pages. I can go on Periscope, Twitch, and YouTube here. But you can simply, go to Facebook. I have it already logged in. Once you get started and get the setup, it will show you, these options, and then it'll ask you to log in. So what I want to show you here is, right now it's pointed to my profile, but if I click that button, that drop down, it has all my business pages. I have a lot that I'm an admin for. You can also switch it to post on, just your timeline publicly, or maybe just your friends, only you, or your groups. If you want to go live in your Facebook group, I'm also an admin of a ton of groups, and you can also go live at a specific time. So the thing, when you do schedule your live stream, you do have to be on time. And also it's pretty cool, because it will create the event, or create the actual page, or the it'll have your Facebook Live on your Facebook page, and then if you schedule it ahead of time, then you can post it. You can start sharing and telling people to go to that specific link. It actually creates a link, and it has, your video that says, waiting to go live at a specific time. So you can schedule that out a few days and a few, 15, 20 minutes earlier, and start sharing it out in different platforms. It's really good. And this is a tip. It's really good to actually engage and click on other people's links before you go live, and then they'll start seeing you and your information that you're going to go live. So that's a great way. You want to do that about 15, 20 minutes before you start going live. Start engaging in other people's stuff, so they start seeing that you're going to go live. And then over here on the top left, I have my screens. So I can show, I call it my screen, but I click on it, and it's basically scenes. So I have an intro video. So when I do my videos, right now I'm pointing to the desktop camera, or the camera, and I actually have two cameras, my camera on my laptop and the external camera on my Logitech. So I can switch cameras if I want. I think I can even plug in my cell phone and have a different camera there too. So you can have multiple different cameras. And over here on the bottom left, you want to put your title. I put it in twice, because there's a title and description. So for Facebook, I put it in twice. Also on YouTube, the top part is actually the title, the bottom is the description. So just to let you know where you're putting in the text. And here at the top, or very middle of it, you can share your screen, which I love doing, is sharing my screen and still having my camera show me on the screen too. So you can, if you're camera shy, you can just simply share your screen. But I love to share my camera as well too, because I believe that talking into the camera to your prospects builds know, like, and trust. So the more you can show up on camera, the better. So I can actually move my camera to different parts of the desktop. I can also just turn it off right here at that square button or rectangle button there. And you can show different applications as well. Entire screen, or just the current application, desktop, or Ecamm Live, the overlays. Overlays are pretty cool. Well, actually, I don't want to show the overlay. Entire screen. So this is what I was looking at. I'm going to do, that's going to be my next video. You can also add in video. So I can resume my last video. Things like that. There's all kinds of fun things that you can do with Ecamm Live. So many features that I'm probably missing out here. But over here is the overlay. The overlay, what I use the overlay for is for my subscribe button. So when I'm doing my video, I also like to have a section where I hit that button. And what I learned is that after that's done playing the overlay, there's kind of tiny line. You can't really see, but it actually shows up in the video. So I realized I have to turn that off when I'm done with that overlay. And there's so many other fun overlays that you can put on to your videos and things like that. And then here you can check the mic levels here and echo cancellation. And I can switch between what mics I want to use. And if you're playing a movie, it will, make sure that the movie is playing the audio, because sometimes that can switch up weird. So those are some of the features I want to make sure that you understand, because so those are the main things that I was confused about. Because what I like to do is in my videos, I'm going to share with you my quick video script tip. I always pinpoint the problem or the issue that I'm solving in my video. Hey, are you having this problem? Are you experiencing this? Would you like to learn how to do this? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you exactly that, right? Or the tips. Stay tuned to this video. And then I cut into my screen of the intro, and having that up was fun. So I have to click on the thumb and then I switch back. So you have to kind of be like quick on that. I think I accidentally have it on replay or repeat. So gonna be quick on that. Just transitions. And then I can switch back to my screen. And then I go into my introduction, who I am. My name is Stacia Kennedy. I've been doing this for 10 years. I love teaching people how to generate more leads and sales online, and love doing demonstration videos, how to make money online. That's what you're going to find here on the channel. Then I go into the overlay. Make sure to subscribe, click that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification button. This comment and reaction is on because that is really fun to make sure that you can see the comments, because obviously sometimes I actually, in other platforms, I've used my phone to make sure it's live and then to see what the comments are. So you can see the comments, and you can actually, if you notice here, it says add to broadcast. So if someone actually had something profound or a question, you can click on it, add to broadcast, and also shows the reactions of how many people are liking and giving you hearts and things like that. But this is kind of cool of a feature to add the comment to your live stream. So it actually has their picture in the comment. This is not a good example. This was the last live stream I had. So there's that. You can basically, I found that by going to the window, because I kind of lost that section. I was like, where is it? How do I find the comments? And as you're live, it'll show you somewhere around here. Well, I'm not live here, so it won't show you me, but it will also see how many people are actually live and watching. So that's kind of cool. If you're live streaming in a group, it has this security feature, because groups are private, sort of private. They're closed groups most of the time. They have to get permission. Ecamm has to get permission from people in the group to show their comments. So you basically, there's a link that goes into your live stream and says, I'm recording with with Ecamm Live, click on this link to show your comments, basically. So you have to tell people, you have to train people in your group to click on that. Otherwise, you can't see their comments. It'll just have a picture of no person, just, and you won't know who it is, who's commenting. So those are some of the features that I like to use, that I'm using as a routine now to stream live on Facebook and then also on YouTube. Again, there's also these other features. You can, you know, stream on Twitch and Periscope and YouTube, and also use these other platforms that let you stream in all of those platforms and more at the same time. If you like this video, if you want to just, try out Ecamm Live, there is a link in the description. Of course, there's a disclaimer. I am an affiliate, so I will get a commission. And if you have any questions about Ecamm Live, or if you'd like me to go into more details in other videos, let me know, and I'll figure it out for you, because everything's figure outable. And we'll see you on the next video. Much love and aloha.